Hello everybody. I thought I'd just make a new video of something cool that I got. This is the Moondrop LAN. Um, so I did a lot of research. I was having a hard time figuring out what IEMs, that means in-ear monitor, to go for, and I kind of ended up picking these. Um, I heard good things about them, and I've heard that they're quite neutral. I think this is the Harman frequency response graph, and I think that it's kind of difficult to see. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see that, but the green line is the Moondrop LAN. So it doesn't follow it perfectly. Like there's a bit of deviation, a bit of a roll off. But I think honestly for the price I paid for these, I think they'll be pretty good. So I'm gonna unbox them, and then I think I'll also kind of do like a review type thing. I hope that's interesting for you guys. There we go. Sorry about the scuffed camera setup I got going on. I literally have my camera like in my baseball hat attached to my head. Um, but it works. So yeah, I'll try to open this up. I really don't want to ruin the packaging because it's cool. It's like an anime person kind of thing, which is cool looking. Um, yeah, I don't know. Is this supposed to slide out? I feel like it's supposed to just slide out. Oh, of course. So here we go. It's got like a cool, I guess that's like the Moondrop LAN symbol, and then, oh, well, that says Moondrop LAN as well. It's cool because they have the LAN in the hub. I don't know if that's like a Mega Man reference or a computer reference or whatever, but I think it's pretty interesting. Um, yeah. Oh man, look at that. That's cool. That's actually very neat. They've like the first thing you get is this sort of cool leather carrying case, protection case type thing. Is that just? Oh, I was scared I was gonna break it. Oh, nice, and all of the tips are in there. That's actually pretty cool, and it's hard to see, but it does say Moondrop there. Yeah, that's nice. I'll put that back in for now. Um, I'll grab that later. Uh, yeah, there they are. Yeah, that must be the Moondrop LAN symbol. Kind of looks like a shuriken or something. Oh, all right. Well, let's save those for last. All right, so we've got our what looks to be a high quality balanced cable. That's pretty nice. It's got, oh, look at that. It's got like a custom sort of Velcro. I don't even want to throw that out. I think you're supposed to keep that. It says Moondrop on it. This is a pretty cool company. I've heard a lot of good things about them. They're one of the Chi-Fi brands that, people rave about. So, nice gold-plated 3.5 millimeter balance jack. I guess that's what that is, right? Um, yeah, I mean, quality of the cable so far, it seems pretty good. I mean, it's red for right, blue for. Oh, is there supposed to be a blue there? Or maybe that's sort of like a stylistic thing. Camera's not really cooperating today. Doesn't really want to focus. There we go. Put that there for now. And we will try to. Whoa! And I just dropped something. Hang on. Cool thing about cool thing about having the camera attached to your head is that you guys get to see everything I do. This seems to be like some kind of quality control. 001. Am I the first to get this in my area or something? Probably not. Uh, wow. Okay, this is some next level marketing here. Like that is really cool. Kind of like a business card kind of deal that I can't really read any of it. That's cool. It's like a postcard. They give you a postcard. That's so nice. And this is instructions. I mean, I think I kind of know what to do. Just plug them in and play them, right? That's kind of the gist with all headphones, right? Plug them in and play some music. Um, that's cool. I'm gonna throw this in there too. Why not? All right, let's get to the main event here, shall we? Um, uh, yeah, there we go. They're tiny. I thought they would be bigger. No, they are tiny. And I believe these are like single dynamic driver dealios. So that's pretty neat. Camera, it's not focusing today. That's totally fine. Sorry about the camera, guys, but listen, they look cool. They feel like they're all aluminum or some kind of, maybe they're not, maybe they're just really high quality plastic. I can't really tell because it feels like metal to touch. So yeah, that's them there. I'm assuming this is right. This is left. There's no markers on the actual thing, but I don't think it would matter because at the end of the day, it's like a universal kind of thing, right? That'll just plug in, and that'll plug in there. I mean, it should, right? Yeah, that feels like that's right, isn't it? Right, left, this, like that. Maybe not. All right, guys, I'm gonna set these up and I'll get back to you. Hey guys, so I just listened to Hotel California, the live version from MTV. Um, yeah, these sound really great. Um, they're 10 millimeter drivers with a frequency response of 15 to 37 kilohertz. They have a 120 decibel, dynamic range. So they definitely pick up a lot of the audio in any recordings. I gotta say, like, I don't have a lot of experience with IEMs, but these are pretty great in my opinion. This is my first IEM, and I gotta say, I've never heard vocals that clear, and I've never heard the audience, coming through my ears that clear either. So yeah, these are very good. I mean, they're like $70. That's what I like. I didn't pay that close to that, but I'd say for that price, like these are pretty good as an introduction to IEMs. They're my introduction to IEMs. I'd say like they're comfortable. You don't even notice they're there, and they do sound very good with that single dynamic driver in each. Which honestly, I think they get the job done, man. You could do a lot worse than these. These are. I'm surprised. I'm honestly surprised at how they sound. They sound incredible. So I actually recommend them. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.